It's a new 2019 Ford Fusion. Respond to the mundane with this stimulating Fusion. It has the composed ride, sharp handling, and safety features you're looking for in a midsize sedan. A great vehicle is comprised of great features like these: streaming audio, Wi-Fi hotspot, dual zone climate control, configurable instrument gauges, remote engine start smart device, manual tilting steering column, intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, aluminum wheels, gas pressurized shocks, and integrated navigation system with voice activation. Edmunds.com finds its light steering yields ample feedback, and the whole package changes direction with remarkable ease. Ford is America's best-selling vehicle brand. You need to drive it to believe it. See it for yourself today.
Whether you're buying today or just shopping at Metropolitan Ford, you can expect to experience something truly unique. Call or stop in today. We're conveniently located near 494 and Highway 5 in Eden Prairie.